History of automation. In the late 1960s, PLC were first introduced. Modular Digital Controller (MODICON). It is developed by Bedford Associates for eliminate the complicated relay-based machine control system. When the change in production system, then it becomes so expensive. And troubleshooting of these type of control system is very difficult to solve within a short time duration. After 90s, PLC with PC control system was launched by MODICON, Modular Digital Controller. Now, what is PLC? A PLC is a controller which is used to replace the sequential relay circuit for machine or plant control. PLC works on their input state for controlling the outputs. When a programmer once downloads the program to PLC, then it gives the desired output. PLC can work on both systems, with and without feedback system. For example, let's assume that when a switch turns on, we want to turn on a solenoid valve for 5 seconds and then turn it off regardless of how long the switch is on for. We can do this with a simple external timer. But what if the process includes 10 switches and solenoid valves? We would need 10 external timers. What if the process also needed to count how many times the switches individually turn on? We need a lot of external counters. As you can see, the bigger the process, the more of a need we have for PLC. We can simply program the PLC to count its input and turn the solenoid on for the specified time by the timers and counters in the PLC. The PLC mainly consists of a CPU, memory areas, and appropriate circuit to receive input or output data. We can actually consider the PLC to be a box full of hundreds or thousands of separate relays, counters, timers, and data storage locations. Do these counters, timer, etc. really exist? No, they don't physically exist, but rather than they are simulated and can be considered software counters, timer, etc. These internal relays are simulated through bit location in register.